What is going on, guys? My name is Alex for Stellar. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Cyclic Redundancy Check data error on Windows 10, Windows 11. There are actually a couple steps that I want to go over with you guys today, how to solve this problem. So if you guys are excited, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the Stellar channel for more of these videos. And I would say let's get started fixing this error right after the intro. So we're going to move in right into the first step to fix this error, which is basically running a CHKDSK utility. So what you want to do is connect the storage device to your computer. You want to then press the Windows+Q key and type in CMD in the search bar. That's going to open up your command prompt. Then you want to right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. This command prompt box will of course appear that we all are familiar with. What you want to type in is CHKDSK space X and then this symbol and then space / F. And then of course where the X is, you want to pick the hard drive that you have on your computer. So if you have like an R drive, for example, you want to use R instead of the X. Then you want to hit enter and wait until the CHKDSK utility repairs the disk errors as well. So once everything is done, you will also see that in your command prompt, and that is how you can fix this error really simply. So if this step was a little bit fast, make sure to rewind it and pause it so you can just go and type it over into your CMD box right from this video. Moving on to the second step, which is running a SFC scan. So an SFC scan stands for System File Checker, which is used to repair Windows system files, including Windows DLL files, registry files, or other protected files, sometimes due to a corrupt file system or a registry files. As discussed above, CRC error occurs. The SFC scan files the corrupt files or the damaged file, and it replaces it with a new one. The process can take around 5 to 20 minutes depending upon the file size and the volume. To run the SFC scan, you want to follow these steps. You want to connect your storage drive onto your computer. Then you want to click the Windows icon to open up the search bar. Then you're going to also type in again command prompt to open that up. And you want to also open it up again as an administrator. Then you want to type into CMD SFC space / scan now. And then you want to press enter. Then it's going to repair all the files that are needed, and then you are good to go from there. All right, so these two steps were actually a little bit more complicated than the last one, but the last one is actually really straightforward, and that's of course using Stella's data recovery. So if you have a certain disk or a certain error coming and you want to fix it, it's really simple. Just after this video, go to the link down in the description. You can pick up the Stellar data recovery software to run your scan. If none of these listed solutions work for you, you can just take the help of a powerful data recovery software like Stellar to use it on Windows. This tool can help you recover data from a severely corrupted, formatted, reformatted, inaccessible hard drive and or lost or deleted hard drive partitions with a few simple clicks. This tool guarantees safe and secure data recovery from all type of storage media formatted in exFAT, FAT16, FAT32, and TFS, such as USB sticks, hard drive, and even from scratched optical discs, such as DVDs and CDs. So if none of these above listed solutions work for you, you can actually take the help of a powerful data recovery tool, such as Stellar Data Recovery for Windows. This tool can help you to, of course, recover lost data from an inaccessible drive, a formatted or a reformat drive to get all the files back. This tool guarantees safe and secure data recovery from all kinds of stations, such as USB, an internal hard drive, an external hard drive, and many more storage devices that you can connect to your computer. So that also works for exFAT, FAT, FAT32, FAT16, and also MTFS, such as USB sticks. But of course, hard drives and scratch optical discs, such as CDs and DVDs, are included. Boot up Stellar Data Recovery, then you want to choose which drive you want to perform this scan on. You also can choose if you want to pick a deep scan, and then you want to keep it running, and it is that simple. So guys, this is how to fix the Cyclic redundancy error in Windows 10, Windows 11. It doesn't really matter which kind of version that you guys are using, because Stellar has you covered. The link is down in the description. If you find this video helpful, make sure to reward it with a like down below. Also subscribe to this channel for more of these videos, and we will see you in the next one.